Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to go offline on Grindr. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grindr application. You can see over here Grindr application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the profile icon. If you're online, you'll be able to see the green dot over here. So if you want to go offline, for that what you have to do is simply tap on this profile icon. Now you'll be able to see various options over here. If you have Grindr Unlimited, over here you'll be able to find the option for Incognito. All you have to do is tap on it. I do not have the Grindr Unlimited right now, but if you have it, simply tap on the option Incognito and you'll be able to go offline. That means people will not be able to see whether you're online or not. Likewise, if you do not have Grindr Unlimited, you can simply log out of your account in order to go offline. For that, what you have to do is scroll down, tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down to the bottom. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for logout. Simply tap on it. Now, after you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option logout. Now after doing that, you'll be logged out of your account. Now you'll appear offline to others. So like this, you'll be able to go offline. So that is how you go offline on Grindr. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.